So as we move into the choral portion of our program, I'd like to take a moment to recognize someone truly special. This evening we have the honor of celebrating a remarkable educator who has dedicated 50 years, yeah, you hear your brother, you went away, 50 years to inspiring young musicians as a music educator. Ed Cross, could you come here please, sir? Teacher at Hackney Elementary School. I mean, 50 years is a long time. I told him it's not a big check or anything. It's just a little something from us to you. We just want to, again, thank you for your commitment to music education and just celebrate you while you're here with us, okay? He will be retiring at the end of this school year.